Are you tired of constantly having to visit the doctor's office or staying on hospital admissions that just disrupt your plans and not giving you the opportunity to do the things that you would love to do? Well, this video is for you, because in this video I'll be sharing 10 tips on how to stay healthy in this year 2019. Although the year is not all that new, but you can do certain things differently this year that can make your journey as smooth as possible and help you to achieve the health status that you desire in 2019. Welcome to healthfeeling.com. This channel, all we do and all we are about is love, health, and do all that pertains to health. My name is Nosolokoli, and I'll be sharing with you different things that has to do with your health in a way that's as simplified as possible and it's easy for you to relate and remember. Today I'll be sharing on 10 tips on how you can stay as healthy as possible without wasting much of your time. The first and very important tip is eating right. Yes, eating right. You cannot overemphasize the importance of eating good food, nutritious food. You have to be more concerned about the quality of your food other than the quantity of your food. So you should do well to stay away from processed sugary food that they are so fast but they do not give your body the necessary nutrition that you have. Good food helps to maintain your skin, helps to maintain your weight, helps you to recover fast even when you're ill. So eating good food cannot be overstretched. We have to pay attention to eating good food. Avoid caffeine, avoid alcohol. All these things do not give your cells the necessary nutrients that they need, and this ends up affecting your whole system and health as a whole. The second point is to avoid smoking or any form of smoke in the environment. I must remind you that these steps are not arranged in any particular order, but all of them are very important in ensuring that you achieve the healthy state that you want. So smoking, number one, smoking has an addictive effect. This cigarette, nicotine, tobacco, everything, marijuana, they all have addictive effect, which is not even good for your health as a person, because you form bad habits. When you're addicted to something, it's not good. You have to do everything to appease that addiction. So that's one thing. And another thing is that these smokes, they get into your respiratory system, and they are bad smoke, bad gases. They end up affecting your respiratory system, and you end up having diseases like asthma, cough, chronic cough, because the gases entering into the respiratory system are not those that are supposed to be there. And also, there could be development of cancerous cells in the lungs. There may be chronic obstructive, pulmonary diseases and all that. So there could be cancers of the mouth, of the throat, of the esophagus and all that. You don't want that to happen. So as much as possible, you want to avoid smoking in all means. Even smokes from the exhaust of cars, from generators and all this are not healthy. So you should do as much as possible to stay away from them. Another very, very, very important point that you do not want to miss out is getting exercise. Yes, you have to exercise your body as much as possible. Exercise does not really have to be when you go to the gym or you work out or you carry weights, but the passive exercises such as walking, doing chores and all that are very, very important. You don't want to live a sedentary lifestyle. You have to take that walk, take the stairs, visit some friends in the evening, run, jog. All these things have a way of helping you stay healthy. And exercise a day, a little dose of exercise can set your day right. Do you understand? So you need to pay attention to exercising, because it helps you maintain a good weight, it helps improve your mood, it helps set your mind right, exercise your heart, because when you run or you do hard work, your heart tends to beat faster, so it pumps more blood to your body. So your cells are even happy and they're thanking you for that. So you need to take deliberate effort to do that exercise. At first, it may really not be easy, but as you continue, you find that it becomes healthy for you. You are happy by doing this. And the fourth point is that you get enough sleep. Yeah. At least 8 hours of sleep is recommended every day. So if you're not even going to sleep at 8 hours, because good sleep is essential for your body to recuperate, for your body to grow, for your body to adjust to changes and all that. Because your brain is very, very active when you're sleeping. It can do all the work of apportioning this to this, that to that. It's not like your brain is sleeping in the day. But when you are at rest, your body is at rest, all the metabolic processes are able to be performed in a more efficient manner. So, resting well, sleeping well, finding appropriate time and place to sleep is very, very, very important in ensuring that you stay healthy. Also, sleep helps to improve your weight. It helps to reduce stress. It helps to it helps your brain recover, rejuvenate. Helps your muscle to grow, and above all, sleep helps to improve your immunity, because when you're stressed and you're not resting well, your body is it's going haywire and it cannot produce efficiently. So I would recommend that you take that sleep, not only when you're tired, but when you think you have not gotten enough sleep. Now the fifth point is something that you cannot just miss. Can you guess? Well, the fifth point is drinking enough water. Yes, at least it is recommended that you take 2.5 liters of water every day. So go now and grab a cup of water. Yeah, water is very essential to life. Water helps the nutrients, some of the nutrients, to metabolize faster. Water helps to flush toxins from the foods we eat and even from the environment. Water is essential, for you to have a good skin, for you to shed weight. Yes, when you take water, you end up shedding excess things through your urine and you end up shedding weight. Yes, then taking water also, it helps to provide the body with adequate resource to bring about those fluids that is needed. For example, we have body fluids such as sweat, we have intestinal juices, digestive juices, and all that. They all have a great percentage of water in them. So taking enough water will ensure that you are supplying the body with enough resource to do what it is supposed to do. So you should take water. You should do what? You should take water. So please ensure that you take at least 2 liters every day. And I tell you that your body has enough facility to accommodate it and excrete it, so that there will be a balance in the body. The sixth point is that you should be happy. Yeah, be happy. In this life, your health is not just about when you don't have pain, or when you don't have headache, or when you don't have malaria, or when you don't have diabetes. Your health also has to do with your mental state at every point in time. So happiness is so important. You have to consciously decide to stay happy. Go for the job you love. Go for that girl or the guy that you love. Stay with that person. Do those things that make you happy and lift your mood. You have to consciously do that. You cannot please everybody. So you have to consciously take efforts to be happy at every point in time. Whenever you are faced with any situation, try to see the positive side of those situations, so that they will not get to you, and so that your body system will always simply there. When you're sad, you are using up a lot of energy to think on those things over. So when you're happy, you're free to laugh, to play, to sing, you feel good. So I really advise, I strongly advise, and this is one of the very best things that I do. You should stay happy, smile often. You look beautiful, you look younger than your age. You'll be able to stay as young as you want to. You have to do it daily. Yes, I know you have to work to make money, but sometimes when you're tired, you should just take out time to rest. So happiness is so important. Another point that I would like to state, that is my 7th tip, is that you employ the power of positivity. You have to stay positive in every situation, and you need to surround yourself with a circle of friends that influence you positively. Consciously do away with people that negatively influence you, and consciously associate with yourself with people that positively influence you. This goes a long way to ensuring that you stay healthy, because when you end up doing things that are negative, you affect your mental health, you affect your social health, you affect your psychological health, and you end up not being healthy, because eventually you can affect your physical health. These things have a ripple effect. So you want to surround yourself with people that make you a better version of yourself, not those that try to reduce your self-worth or your self-esteem. So surround yourself with a good circle. Of the 8th point is that you get screened for common diseases in your environment. And when you're sick, you have to promptly attend to yourself. You know, mild diseases such as HIV, hepatitis, and even milder ones such as malaria and all that. They claim lives of so many people, because a lot of people do not even know the state of their health, and they tend to seek healthcare when it's already getting late. So you feel like you're coughing too much, or you're running a fever, you're not feeling too well. Don't wait, don't be slack. Take prompt attention, and that is why I always advocate that you get articles, watch videos like this ones to boost your knowledge about certain things. So even when you have an incident or you have a case, you know the first hand thing to do before going to a hospital. But do not do self-medication. Always visit a professional, someone that has been trained and is qualified to offer you health care, so you'll be able to provide you with the adequate health care to treat you, so that you can go back to your, you can go back to your normal state of health in no time. Yeah, the 9th point is that you challenge yourself daily. Yes, you need to avoid procrastination. Do that thing now. Set goals, realistic goals. Let them be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time bound. Let them be something that you can always evaluate. And I tell you, when you set goals and you achieve them, you will be encouraged to even do more. And at the end of the day, you are satisfied with yourself. Even if you're not able to achieve the goal, at least you tried. But you will always get better at every trial. So challenge yourself daily. Don't just be lackadaisical with everything in your life, because challenges helps us to become stronger. Deliberately set a challenge that you want to achieve for the day, for the week, for the month, and even for the year, and so that you can always keep yourself on your toes, and you'll be happy with yourself. Believing that you're the best version of yourself puts you in a high pedestal, which now does not allow you to compete with others. And with competition with another person usually is unhealthy, because you end up trying and striving, pursuing someone else. I'm not saying you should not be motivated by someone else's achievement, but be real with yourself. Don't try to be what you're not. You're unique in your own space. Let someone else try to be you. So if you want someone else to try to be you, then you try to be the best of you. So that is why celebrating yourself is very, very, very important. And yeah, there you have it. So the 10 tips that I have for you to stay healthy in this year 2019. I'm telling you, you need to try these tips, and you thank me later because you're gonna be living a life that you've always dreamed of, happy, healthy, and sound, and of course, looking beautiful. Yeah, don't forget to always carry a beautiful smile wherever you go. It warms the heart, it melts the heart, it helps you get anything you want. Yes. Then don't forget to comment below. That section is for you. It's for us to have a community and build ourselves together. You can have other things you do to stay as healthy as possible. Please do share them in the comment section below. And also, you need to subscribe to this channel. If you think I did something good, what learning from, then do subscribe and turn on the notification button so when I share other things like this, you can always have access to it. I'll be talking about certain things to do at every point in time, doing disease reviews in a way that you can easily understand, and trust me, when you ask your questions, they will be promptly attended to, because yeah, that's why I'm here, and I am committed to your health. I am committed to caring for you, and that is what I do every blessed day of my life. So I want to share with the general populace, and that is why I'm doing this that I'm doing. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video so that other people can benefit of what I've shared with you. And don't forget to check my website, healthfully.com. You see a lot of interesting posts there, including this one that I've shared with you, and I trust that you will definitely be healthy. Yes, because seeking right information is the first step to staying healthy. So I'll see you in the next video, and I would love to hear from you. You can't imagine how much I would like to hear from you. So I'll be waiting to see you in the comment section. Please